In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share templates with your team in Lemlist. So first head over to campaigns. So here from your campaign list, you can actually look for a specific campaign you'd like to turn into a template. Or you can also manually start by creating a new campaign to turn into a template. Then next, beside your chosen campaign, click on the three dot icon, then go to campaign settings. Now inside your general settings, scroll all the way to the bottom and toggle this setting on, activate the campaign's shareable link, and now you'll have this sequence public link that you can share with your team members so that they'll be able to use your sequence. Another way is by heading back to campaigns list, then once again click on the three dot icon, and this time click on save campaign as template. So just add a template name and description, then click on create template. And now if you go to your templates page, and check your team templates, you'll see that the template will automatically be also available for your whole team. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!